Today, I pause to observe how I am using my system. Not the output, but the structure forming beneath repeated interactions. This week, I returned to fundamentals, especially APIs and system boundaries. Not to code, but to understand what the system truly requires. I treated this session as a log, not a performance, a snapshot of where the architecture currently stands. My intention is clarity, not completion, not completion, not premature optimization. I want to know what must exist and what can remain absent. API appear as bridges, not features, not goals by themselves. I question what data matters for cognitive continuity over time, what needs structure and what should remain fluid and untouched. This system is about accumulation, not extraction. Understanding grows from use, not theoretical completeness. I encounter limits around multimodality, timing, and conversational silence. Audio carries richness, but systems often collapse it into text. Temporal gaps look meaningful, yet context often explain them away. Not every silence indicates hesitation, resistance, or cognitive friction. Some absences are simply life interrupting interaction. I realize many metrics seduce, but offer weak signal. Capturing everything introduces noise, not understanding. Design restraint becomes as important as data collection. I reframe the system as longitudinal, not diagnostic. Diagnostic. Pattern, patterns matter only when sustained across weeks and months. A month sketches behavior, 6 months navigation patterns, stabilized navigation patterns. The cognitive blueprint emerges through repetition, not inference. What the user returns to defines structures more than any annotation. What never appears does not require explicit exclusion. The field closes naturally through use, not enforcement. This reduces the need for aggressive instrumentation. This journal marks a checkpoint, not a milestone. The system functions as intended at this level of abstraction. APIs remain optional, not foundational at this stage. Voice input already preserve enough cognitive texture for continuity. Nothing here aims to define the user, only reflect patterns. The architecture favors time, and friction, and return. For now, the correct action is continued use.